The advanced visualization training is really helpful.
Insightful, fun, and interactive.
Focusing attention in our dashboards. I draw on a quote from Stephen Few, who says, "When everything is yelling, no voice stands out and the result is noise that no one wants to hear." In typical grumpy Stephen Few mode. But he's right. We'll look at a few examples of this. We want to be very selective with what gets focus. What is allowed to yell on our dashboard? We want to be very careful with what is allowed to yell and what gets quietened down.
The trainers are actually fun and very approachable. Every time we have questions in developing dashboards, they're really willing to help. And it's interactive actually because we share our insights or how we develop, and they also share their best practices and their experiences on the creation.
The point of a Sankey plot or alluvial diagram when visualizing parts and proportions is it's easier to visualize breakdowns at multiple levels.
So what I've learned in training is that I can actually improve on our dashboards with a lot of different graphs, especially the advanced graphs that they taught in the training.
And this is the reason why I kind of love scatter plots, because already we have three variables, right? We got a numeric, then we got a categorical right in the middle.
This course is highly recommended for individuals or for companies who are looking at exploring data visualization or creating dashboards or exploring into data science as a whole.
Overall, I want to thank DataSeer for giving us a really good training, and I actually learned a lot personally, and I want to recommend this training to other people who wants to learn to improve their dashboards.